चल पोहा हो गया है रेडी, गरम किया मैंने. कम. I'm going to be shooting a vlog today, right? About? Oh my god, then please repeat me. Oh my god, now I understand the security you're talking about. So I am going to quickly shoot like क्या कर रही हूँ मैं? Sorry, I got totally spaced out. Hey guys, so it's going to be a vlog today and we are out in town. It's just like a day out shopping basically, and I'm here with my friend Shilpa, who's the least camera friendly person I know. Shilpa, say hi, be nice to people. Hi. So I'm out with her. It's her wedding. She's getting married in the month. Yay! So anyway, I'm out with her for a wedding shopping. We are going to be out the whole day. So मैंने सोचा कि I'll do a little bit of shoot here and there. थोड़े snippets आज के shopping के. Right now we are heading to Infinity Mall in Malad. आज महाराष्ट्र बंद भी है, so we're not sure कि वो मॉल खुला रहने वाला है या नहीं, but I'm hoping it's open. And then yeah, we have a lot. What all are we doing, Shilpa?
And this is not my wedding shopping.
This is your wedding shopping.
No, this is just casual shopping.
Why you didn't deny?
It's not my wedding shopping. Why would I go to Infinity Mall for my wedding shopping?
Some teeny tiny bits, right?
Like Chuzo, no, I don't.
Oh, sorry. She only shops from designer stores. I'm sorry.
No, this is.
I apologize. Stop. Okay, what all do you want to get today? What are the outfits that we are going to go for?
Right now, we are just going to pick something.
Teeny tiny bits. Uske baad you want to pick up like a reception outfit.
Yeah.
So yeah, a reception outfit, probably something else for like a casual mehndi evening outfit, that kind of stuff. So yeah, we'll take you through that day.
एक मिनट पूरा बैक कर लो मैं.
अंधेरी. So we came to Malad. All the way Malad Infinity पहुंच के हम लोगों को पता चला that the mall is shut because of Maharashtra Bandh, and mostly it'll open at 3 in the afternoon. So yeah, very very bummed. You know what we should have done is we can go to Starbucks or something and sit there.
No.
घर जाके क्या करेंगे इतना तैयार होके बाहर है.
Everything is shut. Doesn't make sense.
I have like dressed up and like properly to step out after so long, and imagine
You did
this.
step out.
Huh?
You did step out.
When?
You are out.
I'm saying after so long I've dressed up and stepped out, and now we are going back home. So annoying. चल बैंड्रा ही चल दे क्या पहले? Do you want to go to Bandra?
No, doesn't make sense, Aarti. What will you do? It's only 12. For 3 hours, how is it going to kill time? You aren't even sure if it's going to open up.
So annoying, yeah. We are back home क्योंकि सब market बंद है. So we'll step out again. I think we'll go to the garden. It's so funny. I was trying to take a picture in the car and she panicked so much. She didn't let me take my mask off even for a second. Ridiculous because I'm vaccinated. चल ना garden. Just चल ना chill करते. ए ऊपर जाके क्या करेंगे? There is no sun, Shilpa. So annoying. You're okay with me putting this on vlog? About you stalking your ex?
Yeah, stalking my ex.
Oh God! Really? Yeah. So people can know that you have exes because still.
But listen, I'm not even exaggerating. So he is chatting. He's one of the guys I went out on a date with. He's replying to him. I sent the image on WhatsApp. Was it? Please, please do, please. Thank you.
We have just come back home for a quick lunch break क्योंकि there's no use staying outside, so might as well use the quick 1 hour that we've got. And my maid made this really good rajma chawal today यार. सही बना ना? हम लोग इतने अंडर स्लेप्ट है ना 2 दिन से. Since 2 days we've been sleeping late, waking up only because my maid comes at 8 and my mom is not in town. So underslept, not eaten well, just feeling so blah, and उसके बीच में we are trying to get all this work done. So yeah.
He's okay? Call her, yeah. Okay. I'm going to call Konya now, wait.
यार वी हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. सो लंच के बाद हम लोग नैप भी ले रहे हैं अभी बिकॉज कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा है. वी शॉप्स आर शट, वी कांट गो एनीवेयर, सो वी आर जस्ट यूटिलाइजिंग आवर टाइम. सो वी आर बोथ नैपिंग एंड hopefully I think 3:34 malls are going to open and everything is going to open, so maybe we'll step out.
What is open? It's open.
Open.
Idiot.
I never said open.
You said open.
Open.
And this is not the first time since yesterday you've been doing
Shilpa, I'll show your entire face. What did you say? You said Sali.
this. Open.
Oh god. How's the wedding shopping going, yeah?
Very bad.
हो गया, रख दिया मैंने.
चल.
तो हम लोग लंच ब्रेक और नैप के बाद फिर से बाहर आए हुए हैं. एंड वी कम टू बैंड्रा टू वन ऑफ दी स्टोर्स टू क्विकली चेक एन आउटफिट.
Yeah, it's very easy video model. The outfit. What to do? Where is she?
क्या बोल रही है?
So
So we are finally inside this store where Shilpa is trying to figure out a reception outfit.
Seeing that all you have buttoned it properly, not colleague told me, and then I was talking to the.
थोड़ा सा alteration है ना, basic है.
I'll take a measurement.
Because this is all perfect. Shoulders
Shoulders are good. See the
Shoulder
back,
back
I
is-
like.
हाँ.
The way you explained it to me, this is just.
And
the
here a
correct.
little, I think, very slightly will. Here ना नीचे a little will do
Just
it.
leave, you know, when it's more.
Nice, perfect. I think this works.
Very good. I like the brown.
Do you like it? I think I like it.
It's a rack and egg.
Wait, have you bought your reception outfit in 2 minutes?
Yeah, less than 2 minutes.
It's literally 2 minutes.
Yeah, I know, within 2 minutes.
Because you found what was right.
I think yeah, I can just I'll wear extensions. I'll just let my hair down and be good.
You don't have to wear extensions. Do a messy bun.
हाँ ना actually.
Do a side ka messy bun. Then your earrings and your chandeliers will be seen. You know,
Yeah.
your jhumkas will be
Yeah.
seen. And your whole blouse is so prettily embroidered. You have to show it off. If you wear extension, वो ये हो जाएगा.
Where are we going?
Monisha Jaising.
एक सेकंड ना भैया.
Okay, this is a very eventful evening. ना हमें कपड़े मिल रहे हैं, बारिश हो रही है, हमारे ऑटो भी साइड का कुछ है. And yeah, we are still trying to stop. And I also have to use GPS. Where यहाँ से left?
दादा अंदर
कितना टाइम यार?
Everyone done?
अभी. You're going to be in the frame, Shilpa.
No, take another one.
Yeah. Okay, take 2.
Sorry, another one.
You know, right? All of this is going to go.
Please,
That's
yeah.
what a vlog is. You think I'm going to give the final good one? It's going to take my friends really long to get accustomed to what vlogs are. It's not acting, Shilpa. It's just being yourself.
She's on my face.
Okay, whatever. So we tried to do some wedding shopping. Did we get an outfit?
No, nothing.
No. We tried to get a reception outfit. She tried some stuff, we couldn't. Then she went and got her engagement rings, which are beautiful. And now हम लोग यहाँ पे dinner करने आए हैं. So that's what our day has been like. I totally forgot to vlog in the middle because yeah, I just did. But yeah, maybe I'm going to wrap this and then get back to you guys.
So I'm leaving on 14th, right? We decided 12, 13, 14. 14th क्या है फिर?
What? Tutu? Tutu.
Tirthamal play, mama camera Tirthamal play. Tutu. 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 Tare piramam play. Skin रखा तूने?
No, normal camera because good skin filter में मेरा audio अच्छा नहीं आ रहा है. Anywho, stopped using the filter, but हम लोग घर वापस आ गए हैं. We had dinner at a really good Lebanese food place in Bandra, by the way, जिसका नाम था Arbab. Really good place if you're in Mumbai and you want to try good Lebanese food. Go to that cafe. Go to that restaurant in Bandra. But yeah, that was our day today. And I wanted to give you all a little sneak peek into the wedding shopping that we were going to do, but ऐसा कुछ खास हुआ नहीं तो कुछ मैं और आगे दिखा नहीं पाई ना.
There was nothing we could find.
Yeah, so we basically couldn't get anything done today, but I'm still going to just upload this vlog because I'll just give you a little sneak peek of our day out in Mumbai probably. So that's what it was. With that, I'm going to end this video right here. I'm going to come back to you all with more fun videos in the future. In the meanwhile, if you're new to this channel and like what you see, consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon. And yeah, I'm going to go.